let's go ahead and flip them. I actually had these brackets on the wrong way a second time, so I flipped them and then screwed this back in. Now I find that's not the conventional way to do it. Normally you'd screw these brackets onto the board first and then tighten this pump onto the brackets. But I find if you put the brackets onto the pump, it's way easier and less fiddly to just screw them into the motherboard after. Just a quick tip there. And now we can go ahead, take off that, and stick on there. Okay, now I'll go ahead and remove plastic film on the SSD heatsink and stick our Kingston KC3000 in here. We'll also get the plastic film off of this heatsink. We'll get our RAM sticks slotted in. Now let's get this motherboard into here. Now we have the motherboard securely placed in the case. We will get this massive 420mm area secured onto the top, and all of the connectors, like the CPU connectors in here, all up. Now that we have the CPU pins connected and the cooler RGB header and pump header connected, we can go ahead and stick this AIO on the top. Now that the radiator is securely in place, we can go ahead and connect all of our other motherboard connections and all of our front panel connections and fix up this cable management. And here you can see the cable management in the back, all nicely done. And now for the final part of the build, let's get this Inno3D RTX 5080 into the system. There we go. Now let's screw it in and power it up. And there we have everything installed and plugged in. If you want a new top-end gaming PC, then head on over to our website buckpcs.com.au and check out the range or submit a custom PC form today.